It's a nice camper. It's just, you know, people don't take care of stuff. So, first thing I noticed was that and this. It's got some rot. So we're going to take this whole back panel off, put some new wood in it. At least that's the plan, tentatively. But before we get into that, let's see what the inside looks like. Okay, kind of dark in here. And it's got a bathroom in there. I'm not sure, maybe we'll take that out because water and campers just don't go along. Alright, so I know I didn't show you much, but 200-mile-an-hour tape don't belong on a camper. Neither does that nasty caulking people put on there. And it looks to me like up here looks kind of nasty. More 200-mile-an-hour tape. Up there. Let's take a look and see what the roof looks like. I won't see it until you see it. Really, if that's the only issues, shouldn't take that much to fix it. Okay, let's see what we got to do. First thing I think we need to do is move it in front of the garage so it's easier to work on. I don't have to come all the way out here. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, well, we got the camper covered. Now I gotta take off this wheel and this other hitch mount so I can get to the screws to take off this back panel, or at least pull it forward to see what's going on. So let's see what's going on. That don't look too good. Uh-oh. I think this is gonna take a little more than I thought. That's the thing about these campers. Look at this. just to kind of give you an idea of how bad this is. And you can't just shut it up after you've exposed it. You have to take the whole back off, put all brand new wood in it. Oh boy. Hey, good morning. It's a new day here at the Mr. Price show. As you can tell, it's awful wet here. Yep, nothing but rain. Back to the old camper. I had to move it and make myself a little tarp. I guess this whole thing's got to come off, this whole back. So, I guess the first thing is I got to take that hitch plate off and then take all those screws out and see what I'm up against. But it don't look very good. Okay, we're back at it. Got the first piece down. Oh yeah. Yeah, nothing like water in a camper. Hey, it's me again. I know you like these short little narratives of what I'm doing. So, this is turning out to be quite a little fun type of thing to do for my son. So here's where we're at. Lots and lots of mold and rot all along the edges where the water runs down. I didn't even take that top piece off yet. Alright, we'll be back. Hey, what's up? Well, I decided it's time to take this closet out so I can see what's going on with the floor. You seen the outside how rotted it was. And sorry about the close-up. You can see how I really look. Anyways, this is the floor inside the closet. Don't want to step there. Slowly, 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 it is starting to come apart. I know. What have I gotten myself into? It's alright. It'll all work out if you let it. Before I get back into that floor, because it's a mess. But when I get it coming out or get it taken out, I'll videotape some more of it. Okay, making progress. I know that looks terrible, but you understand that everything is rotted. It's got to come out. So we'll have to stud this all in again. Lovely. Hey, what's up? Mr. Price here again. I'll tell you, if you ever run across a camper that's got water damage, just turn it away. Turn it away. All right, well, here's where I'm at. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, he's doing that wrong. That's not how I would have did it. Oh, look at those cuts. Look at all this. Look at all that. Look at the mess. Well, you know what? That's just how it is. We'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, I'm making some progress. I mean, I don't know what much more to say. I'm making progress. Oh boy. This has been fun. This is real fun. Oh, I'm not done. I'm far from being done.